In this video, I'll show you how you can take your finished Scratch Create a Bird project and turn it into a BigHugeLabs magazine cover. We normally create a magazine cover for our Create a Bird projects to print out for International Migratory Bird Day. In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot of your bird, upload that screenshot to BigHugeLabs, and put in information about your bird so that it looks good as a magazine cover. Then I'll show you how you can save your magazine cover picture and upload it to Google Drive. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is go to Scratch. You'll go to Scratch in Safari like you did for completing your project. You'll have to go to My Stuff and then tap on your project. Once you get into your project, you'll want to position your bird in the middle of your screen so that when we take a screenshot, it will show up well on the magazine cover. I chose to ran my project, waiting until my bird was positioned in the middle of it and not talking, and then I pressed the stop sign. Once you've got your position of your bird where you want it, to take a screenshot on your iPad, you'll tap the home button and the power button or the lock button at the same time. Once you've taken a screenshot, you'll see your screenshot will show up in the lower left-hand corner of your iPad screen. If you tap on it there, you'll be able to crop the picture by dragging in the blue corner lines. Since a magazine cover is usually a rectangle, we'll want to get about that shape for our screenshot. Once you have your screenshot set up the way that you want it, tap Done in the top left corner and Save to Photos. Next, in Safari, you'll need to go to BigHugeLabs.com. Once you get there, swipe down until you see Magazine Cover and tap on it. First, you'll need to tap Choose Photo, Photo Library, and then select your screenshot. Now we're ready to start filling out information about our bird on the following lines. The magazine title should be the name of your bird. Make sure you use a capital letter at the start of each word. The tagline should say, created by, and then your name. Again, make sure you use a capital letter for your name. The publication date will be today's date. And the price will be $1.99. Now we're ready to put in information about our birds. Line 1 should say what type of beak you gave your bird. Line 2 should say what your bird uses its beak for. Next, for line 3, you'll talk about what type of feet your bird has. And in line 4, what it uses those feet to do. Line 5, you'll tell what habitat your bird lives in. You'll notice I'm not typing full sentences here, I'm just typing short facts. For line 6, you'll write what gender your bird is. And on line 7, you can type a fun fact. We'll skip all the rest of these until the very last two lines, 16 and 17. Line 16, you should say 3rd grade because you are a 3rd grader. And line 17, she'll say your teacher's name. Use a capital letter here as well. Then tap Create. You'll see a preview of what your magazine cover looks like. If it looks good, you're ready to download it. If you want to make any changes, you'll need to tap the Edit button at the top. I'm back editing now, and you can change the color that your magazine cover will use. I chose red. You can also change the font, but make sure it's still easy to read. If you make any changes, you'll have to go all the way to the bottom and tap Create again in order to see your magazine cover get updated. Mine's looking good, so now I'll tap Download. Now I see my magazine cover, I'll tap and hold on it until I get the option to Save Image, and that will save it to the Photos app on my iPad. The last step of this project is to go into the Photos app, tap to view your magazine cover, tap the Share row, then tap Google Drive. Once the Google Drive menu shows up, after selecting your Google account, you can do the following. You can tap and give it a new name. I called mine my real name and then the name of my bird. Select Folder. You'll want to save it to My Drive. Then where it says Share, I'm going to share it with my classroom teacher.